Here's a detailed comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A56 and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Main camera: A56 triple camera setup, 50 MP wide, aperture size 1.8, OS 12 MP ultra wide, aperture size 2.2, 5 MP macro, aperture size 2.4. S24 FE triple camera setup, 50 MP wide, f/1.8, OS 8 MP telephoto, aperture size 2.4, OS 12 MP ultra wide, aperture size 2.2. Camera zoom: A56 supports up to 10x digital zoom. 24 FE 8 MP telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom, f/2.4, 75mm equivalent, along with digital zoom capabilities. Video recording: A56 records up to 4K at 30 FPS. S24 FE 8K at 30 FPS on the main camera, 4K recording at 30/60 and 120 FPS, 1080p at 30/60, 120 and 240 FPS. Selfie camera: Galaxy A56 12 MP front camera, f/2.2. Galaxy S24 FE 10 MP front camera, f/2.4. Software: A56 Android 15 with One UI 7. S24 FE Android 14 with One UI 6.1. CPU and performance: A56 Exynos 1580 chipset with octa-core processor. S24 FE Exynos 2400E chipset with Deca core processor. RAM: A56 8GB. S24 FE options of 8GB or 12GB. Display type: A56 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display and 2340 by 1080 pixels. S24 FE 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display and 2340 by 1080 pixels. Display protection: A56 Corning Gorilla Glass. S24 FE Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Charging: A56 45 watts wired charging. S24 FE 25 watts wired charging. Battery performance: A56 5000 mAh battery. S24 FE 4700 mAh battery. Dimensions, weight, and build: A56 7.4 millimeters thickness, 198 grams weight and glass front and back with aluminum frame. S24 FE 8.0 millimeters thickness, 213 grams weight and glass front and back with aluminum frame. Water resistance: A56 IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. S24 FE IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. Storage options: A56 256 GB, no micro support. S24 FE 128 GB, no micro support. Network: both models are 5G capable. USB port: both models feature USB Type-C ports. Price: A56 starting at $499. S24 FE starting at $649. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers significant enhancements over the Galaxy A56, particularly in camera capabilities with higher resolution sensors, optical zoom, and advanced video recording options. The S24 FE also provides improved water resistance, a more powerful processor, and faster display refresh rates, making it a more premium offering compared to the Galaxy A56.